What type of certifications does Total Industries offer?
Total Industries offers different types of training for heavy equipment, to put it that way. We offer from forklift training all the way to boom lifts, different types of boom lifts, and some construction equipment as well.
When you choose Total Industries, not only are you getting operators training, we do offer technical training to a lot of our customers. So we're training not only outside customers, but we're as operators, but we're training our own technicians and technicians of other companies.
And we also have the flexibility because we train on site. We can go to their company, which is really great. We do small groups of at least 5 people to probably 20 people, which is great. And they don't need to go anywhere. But at the same time, we have a great facility, as you can see, where they can come to our site and we'll do the training here, where we have tons of different forklifts that they can check. But of course, we're going to be practicing on whatever type of equipment they have, as far as forklifts, of course.
What comes with the forklift certification?
Well, first of all, you're going to be OSHA compliant. That's the most important thing. OSHA requires that every operator or forklift operator be trained and certified by a professional instructor. Plus, you get your certificate that you can show to your employer and a wallet card.
Why do you need a forklift certification certificate?
You need a training certificate because most of the companies require to file that certificate with the records in case OSHA shows up and they want to see the records. That is one way to show. Not only that you can show off to your friends and family that you are forklift certified, but it's mainly because the company needs to have that record.
What do you like about being Total Industries trainers?
I love being a trainer because I like to, first of all, I love training. I like to connect with people. I like to network and especially help others. I like to see people go back to their jobs knowing that they are really good at what they're going to be doing. And most importantly, they're going to be safe. We want them to go back to their families every day knowing that they learned the right thing and they are sort of protected because they learned everything they had to learn with us.
I mean, for myself, I feel like I get more out of the training than the student does. Personally, to see them gain a skill that they didn't have before and be productive, efficient, and safe to whatever industry they're going back to.
Why choose Total Industries?
When choosing Total Industries, not only are you getting the best forklift, the Toyota product, you're receiving the best training, the best service, and of course, the best forklift. Why else would you go anywhere else?
Why Toll Industries? Because we are part of Toyota. And Toyota is a very reputable company. And we have all the Toyota forklifts and equipment that people want to talk about and learn about. And that's why I would choose Toll Industries for my training.